Welcome to MacroEdtech online educational services. We are providing comprehensive course on CA Foundation. Initially, we are dealing with business mathematics. In today's short video, we will discuss mathematics of finance, part 1. After completing this chapter, students will be able to understand the concept of interest, related terms, and computational difference between simple and compound interest, the concept of annuity, the concept of present value and future value, use of present value concept in leasing, capital expenditure, and valuation of bond. So let's start. In this entire chapter of mathematics of finance, we will learn simple interest, compound interest, effective rate of interest, annuity, types of annuity, sinking funds, and many more concepts related to interest. In today's short video, you will learn basics of simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is the interest computed on principal for the entire period of borrowing. It is calculated on the outstanding principal balance and not on the interest previously earned. It means no interest is paid on interest earned during the term of loan. Or in simple terms, please remember, principal will always constant. Let's understand how to calculate. Very basic formulas. You can see here I equal to PIT, where P is principal, small I is annual interest rate, and capital I is amount of interest. Now A equal to P plus I means principal and whatever interest we earn. So accumulated amount is sum of principal and total interest. You can see here basic example for your understanding. As we know that simple interest, so we have to just put values. Here principal is 2000 rupees, rate 6%, and time 2 years. So we'll get 240 rupees. This is interest. Now second example, Sachin deposit 1 lakh in his bank for 2 years at a simple interest rate of 6%. How much interest would he earn? How much would be the final value of deposit? So in first part, simply we have to put values. Principal 1 lakh, rate of interest 6%, and time 2 years. So you'll get 12,000 is simple interest. Now the final value, accumulated value, is principal plus overall interest earned. So 1 lakh 12,000 rupees. Because this is a foundation course, we have to deal with this kind of question. Otherwise, anyone can solve. Another example, Rahul invested rupees 70,000 in a bank at rate of 6.5% simple interest. He received 85,925 after end of term. So accumulated 85,925 rupees. Find out the period for which sum was invested by the Rahul. So we have to find total time. So we have to put in this formula total amount 85,925, principal is 70,000, rate of interest 6.5%, and we have to find time. After putting all values, and you can simplify, you will get t equal to 3.5 years. Now we are heading towards some important concepts related to compound interest. Because simple interest, as name suggests, very simple because the principal always constant. But in case of compound interest, principal is not constant. Let's see. For an example, suppose you deposit 50,000 rupees in ICICI Bank for a period of 2 years. Not simple interest but compounded annually. This time interest is compound interest with 7%. For very first year, simple interest and compound interest same. Because no accumulation of interest, so you can easily find first year interest of first year simple interest equal to PIT, principal 50,000, 7% rate with 1 year. So 3,500 rupees is simple interest. Now for second year, in case of simple interest, principal 50,000, but in case of compound interest, now principal is not 50,000 but 50,000 plus interest earned. So 53,500 is now new principal. So we will get interest on this principal. So on calculation, interest for the second year 3,745. So now total interest for first year 3,500 and interest for second year 3,745. So overall compound interest for 2 years 7,245. So this interest is 245 more than the simple interest. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for daily updates. In upcoming days, we will come with other subjects like business economics, business laws, and accounting.